Hi guys, today in this video I will show you how to make Kali Linux bootable USB device. The first step is download Kali Linux from Kali official website. To download Kali ISO file, go to your browser. In search bar type Kali Linux. Click the first link kali.org. Click Download. Choose Installer Images. Choose a bit that you want to download. After you choose, download it. You can download it using torrent or your normal downloader. I already downloaded this file, but you wait until the ISO file is downloaded. Here is my Kali ISO file. The next step is download Rufus. To download Rufus, go to your browser. In search bar type Rufus. Click the first rufus.ie. Here choose the latest version of Rufus. Open Rufus. Now plug your USB. Choose the ISO file that you downloaded before. Click Open. Choose your partition scheme. Note that it is very important to know your partition scheme. From your keyboard, click Windows plus R key. Disk management. Now make sure that your partition style is matched to partition scheme. Click Start. Write in DD image mode. Click OK. Now wait until the process is finished. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, we have our new Kali Linux bootable pendrive. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, comment me in the comment section.